Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Have you ever been deceived by something that looked amazing from outside but turned out to be worthless? Maybe a fake relationship, a fake friendship, a tempting business deal, or your own ego? So today we are going to dive deep into the wisdom of Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji in today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar at Ang 708, and we'll understand how his words from the Hukamnama can transform our lives practically, not just philosophically. So Guruji says, Raj Kaptang, Roop Kaptang, Tan Kaptang, Kul Garbatha. Power is fraudulent, beauty is fraudulent, the wealth is fraudulent, and as is the pride of ancestry. Now think about this. Why would Guru Sahib call all these things fraudulent? Aren't these the very things we work hard for? The truth is, they are temporary, deceptive, and these create an illusion of fulfillment. Ontologically speaking, we live in being but chase having. Power, wealth, beauty, these are external acquisitions. But they never define who we are. That's why even the richest, the most powerful people can feel completely lost. There was this billionaire who owned islands, cars, private jets, but on his deathbed, his only wish was to have something by his side who can hold his hand. His power, wealth, and status couldn't buy him the true relationships. So, implemented today, just ask, what if we stop chasing status and start chasing the good purpose of life? So Guru Sahib further says, Sanjat Bikya Chal Chidran Nanak bin har sang na chalte pe khandlo ki pul tumma disam sona. So, which means one may gather poison through deception and fraud, O Nanak, but without the Lord, nothing shall go along with him in the end. Then he gives us a beautiful metaphor. Beholding the bitter melon, he is deceived since it appears pretty from outside. So, this is a life skill, the ability to see beyond surface appearances. We think a high paying job will make us happy, but does it? We think marrying a rich person guarantees a good life, but does it? We think showing off on social media proves success, but does it? So, Guru Sahib is reminding us nothing material goes with us when we leave this world. What stays? The impact we create, the kindness we show, and the love we share. Let's all implement today's Hukamnama in our day to day life. Instead of chasing power, let's chase impact. Instead of chasing beauty, let's chase authenticity. Instead of chasing wealth, let's chase some meaningful purpose. A simple teacher in a small village transformed so many lives. He just went beyond his job and worked hard with children. His salary was low, but his wealth, the knowledge he imparted, remained alive in his students. So, this is like focusing on long term investments rather than short term gains. Material success is like a volatile stock, it crashes. But investing in wisdom, relationships, and self awareness gives long term returns. So let's all ask ourselves, am I running after things that won't go with me at the end? Am I mistaking the bitter melon of life for something valuable? Am I focusing on having rather than being? So let's not be mistaken. Here, Guru Arjan Dev Ji isn't telling us to renounce wealth or beauty. He is telling us not to be deceived by them. Use them wisely, but don't let them use you. So you can just introspect and just, ask yourself, what is one illusion in your life you will stop chasing today? So, my dear friends, introspect and then you share your experiences with me. Take care. बी बैलेंस्ड, बी हैप्पी। वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।